Yeah, getting a built-in autoresponder with Save Club, it's amazing, okay? Because most people, you hear about like Get Response, Aweber, maybe System, is it .io, okay? But you'll hear about autoresponders all the time when you do this online business thing. And you gotta, first of all, join them. It could be anywhere from 20, $30 a month, okay? You have to write interesting emails, okay, that are kind of compelling, kind of fun, mysterious. Because if you write an email that says, hey, would you like to make money, lose weight, and be a millionaire by tomorrow? I mean, people are like, yeah? And how do I hit delete? You hit delete on your, what are these called, little keyboards? I feel like I play piano all day. I sit behind this dang thing so much. But an autoresponder is a massive pain in the, and I'm not going to say it, but it's a pain in the bum. I know 90% of people that have been doing even online business for 5 to 10 to 2,500 years still don't set up an autoresponder properly, and you lose interest anyway. By the time you have like 5 or 10 emails, and if they do go out, and if you don't get the sign up, you're like, oh, this is bullcrap. These emails don't work. This opportunity sucks. I'm going to go join another one, okay? Another opportunity that's shiny, like shiny little balls, kind of like what I have. Underneath my hat, I have a shiny forehead, okay? Yep, I squirt Armor All on my face before each video. That way I look pretty in pink in my Chevy hat that makes me look like a man in my man cave full of toys. All right. Guess what? When you join Save Club, you have an automated autoresponder, and guess how much it costs? It is built in to the price. Okay, so if you have $60, okay, you're an affiliate. You don't have to buy products and reach levels and do the matrix into the whatever, the pyramid of the multi-level marketing of the whatever, the pendulum. Okay, relax on all that. All right, with Save Club, you got 1997. Good. You're going to save on deals worldwide, and you have an opportunity to present the opportunity to people like yourself watching my video or other people. Okay, and I'll help you out. I do about 500 videos a day on how to recruit and be fun and use video and use social media, even a business card, okay, to promote this great business. But when somebody pre-enrolls, and I want you to do so, okay, if you're watching my video and you have not joined Save Club, will you at least do me a favor? I want you to see what an automated autoresponder does, okay, for this much after you join. $60, but there's no ongoing cost. The emails are already written, and they blast out 30 days every day. I just had a couple more signups because the last day or two, I've been producing car shows, and I've been putting roof racks and everything else on my Hummers and doing all this other stuff. I've been really busy because the summer is right now. It's already 85 to 90 degrees here in Utah. So I have a lot of things I have to do outside with my other businesses. But in the last day or two, I haven't even really done much other than just throw up some videos on YouTube. And then I had 3 signups over the last day or so. And all thanks to my auto-responding little babies. My little messages that go out while I'm working, sleeping, pooping, hiking, breakdancing. Look, I breakdance still, even though that's 40 years ago. But look at how nice the response is. 3 people have already pre-enrolled. What is today anyway? Sunday. Okay? Mother's Day. And happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there. Okay? And I had someone already upgrade this morning, so thank you. I'm going to send you a beautiful email on exactly what I do to get signups every single day. Okay? But it all starts right here, guys. ilovesaveclub.com. I want you to go to this link right now. And when you go to the page that looks exactly like this, you're going to watch this little movie. All right? It's a little video. It's about 6 minutes long. And it is Charles Muley. He's our founder. He's going to chat at you folks and go, hey, what's up? And then he's going to describe this whole opportunity. Okay? Much better than I can. Just a little bit. Maybe 1 or 2% better. Okay, maybe only 1. But anyway, secure my position now. If you want to maybe, kind of, definitely, almost, maybe join, just put your contact information in here. You're going to get some nice emails, 1 a day for 30 days. I want you to keep them too. Because if you do join, I want you to read those emails and just alter them and change them a little bit so they're not a direct copy, but you can send those out to some folks and maybe help those folks like yourself make a decision. Would you like to join or not? And if you don't, just delete and move on your way. But for 30 frickin' days, why, you're doing other things, and maybe you're just new and you don't know how to do an email. Oh man, I'm nervous. I've never done this before. I don't have any experience, but thank you for pre-enrolling. Love, Cory. I'm like, oh wait, that's what I meant to send my aunt, but Petunia. Okay, there is a difference between writing like a relative, writing a buddy. Hey yo, meet me at 6 o'clock for dinner. Bye. Okay, there's a lot of different ways to communicate between friends. Okay, maybe your wife, your hubby, your kids, maybe your mom, wishing her a happy Mother's Day. I accidentally put happy birthday, and I'm not kidding you. On my Facebook page, I wished my mom a happy birthday. And I caught it, thank goodness. Okay, do you want to see what I posted? Just to show. Guys, I have a sense of humor and I mess off a lot. And it works. You don't have to be so darn nervous and I don't know, act like a lawyer suing somebody. Okay? Let me try to find my Facebook page. Where is it? Let me drag it on. Okay, I think it's on your screen. All right, there's my big old white Hummer. Look at that. I got the beautiful flag on the back. Okay. All right. Mothers. There it is. Look, I put happy birthday, Mom. Rock and roll all day. There's my mom with a band. I can't remember their name. I think they're called Smooches. I can't remember. They're a popular band. They came out, I think, around 1974 or so. All right, there's my mom. All right, there's my mom. And you know what? My dad just passed away about 2 months ago. And boy, he worked his buns off and just provided a real nice family life for me and my 2 sisters and my brother Ryan. But yeah, my dad, he passed away, and rest in peace. And I drive by where he's at in Larkin Cemetery almost every day. And I look over and I just see where he's at now. And it's just, it's still kind of hard to believe at this point. But anyway, there's my mom. She's rocking the Q-tip swab haircut. That was extremely popular in the 60s. Beehive, Bouffant, Austin Powers, baby. That's right. My mom is still rocking that exact haircut. There's my mom with a little different tint of Q-tip swabness. And there's Miss America. Look at that, hanging out with my mom. All right. And there's my mom, boy, when she was a youngster, rocking the Bouffant. All right. And that's real hair. Those are real bangs. And my mom used to go to bed at night. She'd wrap Kleenex around her head. And my dad would look over, and when he'd sneeze, he could just wipe his nose on my mom's head while they slept, because she'd wrap her hair in Kleenex to protect this bouffant, so she looked really cool every day for like days and days without having to, I don't know, is that called ratting your hair? I don't even know how to do a haircut like that. But yeah, my mom, she's on a cruise right now with my sister and my brother's daughter. And yeah, they were in Galveston, Texas. Am I saying Galveston right? And now they're on a cruise down south on Royal Caribbean. So, but happy birthday, Mom, but not till August. And happy Mother's Day. But guys, if you're watching this live, please put happy Mother's Day and not happy birthday like I did. And my mom would expect nothing less from me, because to call me a doofus, yeah, I mean, I should put I am a doofus, but I own it. All right. How do you spell doofus? D-U-F-U-S? All right. So anyway, guys, the autoresponder is so great, because while I'm wishing my mom a happy birthday on Mother's Day, while I'm working on my cars, while I am making coffee and just messing off, there's a nice email message going out every day to people that have pre-enrolled. And that's exciting. You know, it shot me into, I think I'm in the top 10, but look at all the people that pre-enroll. Look, yesterday, I did not have any time to do this business because I had a massive car show. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of cars. It took like 8 or 9 hours of the day. And editing and uploading all the award winners and cars and stuff, I was up till 1 or 2 in the morning. And I finally got finished. If you go to my Facebook page, you can see all the pictures and all the awards and everything. But look at that. 2 upgrades yesterday. 6 people pre-enrolled. And guess what? See all these 6, 11, 7. Look at all those people. Okay? If they are still pre-enrolled, they're getting a message every day. And of course, some of these folks, they go ahead and upgrade. And right now, I don't even know. This is my first video of the day. Where is leaderboard? Okay. Let me see what what I'm doing here worldwide. All right, it looks like I am tied with power players. So I'm tied for basically 10th place. Okay, I have no doubt I'm going to get a couple signups today. All right, I'm going to kick some butt, make 5,000 videos, and then I'm going to beg. Okay, so if you guys sign up, let's have some fun. Okay, all right, I'm going to be in the top 10, and boy, I'm going to go after David here and just move on up the charts. Okay, but yeah, this is great to be number 10 in the world right now in a very cool company. I'm very excited. Okay, so anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos and let me clear my throat in a very disgusting way. I could edit that out, but I'm not going to because that takes it takes like 2 minutes. And that's just too many minutes. Okay. Right now, 10 minutes and 45 seconds I've been yapping to you folks. Okay. I love saveclub.com. All right. I'm going to send you an email. And if you join, I'm going to send you another email. I want you to copy me. Do exactly what I do. All right. If you want to do video, great. If you want to do some type of campaign through email or through inbox with Facebook, you got to be careful how you do it. But I know how to do it where people get a hold of you. Okay. You never do cold anything. When people email you, all right, you just email them back. When people get a hold of you in the inbox, you just inbox them back. Okay. I have people coming to me, attraction marketing, if that's what you want to call it. That's what I want you to do. You're not going to cold call. You're not going to knock on doors. You're just going to relax, come up with some really fun things, keep things interesting. But you know what? Save Club is interesting. It's a beautiful steak with salt and pepper and seasoning or whatever you want to put on your steak. Peanut butter, I don't care. But it's delicious all by itself and people are joining. And we're right in the pre-launch stage. Let's see, today is number 11. So we got about 19 days and this opportunity kicks off officially. And that's where the whole world's really going to start signing up. So if you're watching this video, you got kind of an inside scoop on this opportunity, okay? It's going well, guys. You know, the first couple weeks, I've already made a couple grand just by screwing off, making a video and doing fun things on Facebook, like wishing my mom a happy birthday on Mother's Day, and then maybe referencing, you know, I'm trying to do Save Club, but I can't. I've got to wish moms all over the world happy birthday. Okay. So, I think you get the point. Have some fun. Look into this opportunity. Guys, it's cheap. It's $60. It is $19.97. And if you don't like anything about whatever the hell you're looking at, just write support at saveclub.com. And if you join for a couple days or so, you know, just get your money back. I mean, it's not heavy lifting. This is a very fun opportunity. But give it a month or two. It's in the pre-launch stage. You just need to get signed up. Then over the next 2, 3, 6, 9 months, year, 2 years, we're going to have 1 to 2 million just people that own businesses and services where they're going to join and just go, man, this is awesome. I'm saving money. And then as an affiliate, you're earning money. Okay, so save money on things you're already buying. Okay, let's do that, okay? Okay, my work is done, 13 minutes, and I want you to just definitely go to that little ilovesaveclub.com little link right there, okay? All right, guys, I'm going to go have me a coffee, get my throat all warmed up, and make you some fun videos today, okay? And happy Mother's Day for reals if you're watching me live today. Okay, guys, take care. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Talk to you soon. Bye.